Good afternoon, guys. I'm trying to carry out a practical. On Monday, you have your practical chemistry exam, and I want to carry out the experiment to test the two salts that have been provided by the body for the exam. So I have the two salts, this specimen C, this lead nitrate, and specimen C, potassium sulfide. You can see their formulas written on them. So I'll carry out the test one after the other. So I'll analyze all of this and then all of this. So I'll start with C. Now, this is lead nitrate, and concerning this salt, I think the most they can ask you is to analyze the cation, which is the lead 2 ions. The nitrates, I don't think they would want to, because that would be the Brown ring test. Yeah, and the possibility is quite low. So I'll just go on with the lead ions. So I'll open up my salts. I'll get one of my test tubes, dry ones. You can see that it's in crystals. Obviously, the physical test will be a crystalline salt. So I'll quickly pour it into my tube. So I'll pour water here to dissolve it. Not quite easy to dissolve because of the way it is, but I'll try to dissolve as much as I can. So I'll just like pick a little, because I can't just wait. I'll take a little of this, I'll pick a little. So you'll be told to measure a particular volume, but here I'm just using very little. So I've taken a little bit of it. So I have my sodium chloride. So I'll put a little, they said in drops. If I put a little of this, you can see a white PPT that is formed, quite clear. So if I put excess of it, if I put it in excess, wow, you can see everything dissolved in excess. So for now, you see that in drops there were white PPT, and then in excess the white PPT cleared. Now you are suspecting some ions, right? And if you notice, the PPT was chalky, so we're expecting like calcium or lead ions. So if it's gelatinous, it should be aluminum or zinc, but this was chalky. So our observation would be that a white PPT was formed in drops and it dissolved in excess. So the inference would be that lead 2 ions, calcium ions present, right? Because this is not a confirmatory test; it's a preliminary test to check for lead. This is if you are asked to put sodium hydroxide. So I'll still carry out this test using ammonia. I'll take another test too. You asked to take a little other portion. I'll take another portion here. So I'll take very little. So this is ammonia. So what I'm going to do, I'll pick very little of it in drops. You can still see a white chalky PPT was formed. Then in excess, I would have, say, even till full, you can see that the white PPT persisted. It still shows lead 2 ions, because lead brings out white PPT in both drops and excess of ammonium, but calcium ion also produces that. But I should just say lead 2 ions present. This is not a confirmatory test too. It's also a preliminary test. Now to confirm the presence of lead, we'll carry out the test I'm about to carry out. So I'll take a little portion of it. You add this. I've taken another portion of it here.